Wow, I'm super excited about this one. It's a tool that I've been waiting to add to my belt for a very long time. Let's see how it looks and how it feels. My favorite brand. Always with me wherever I go. Leatherman. It's a brilliant tool, and they have various kinds of tools that are very utility and very friendly for adventure and for daily activities. This is one of them that I use always, every single day. The TTI charge. And this is something I was longing for because I thought it would be very useful for me and what I do. And well, I'm so super excited to have this finally with me. The Leatherman Raptor, and this can go easily on my belt. You can orient it in the way you want, well secure, so that you don't lose this important tool. And what does it really look like and what does it do? Let's see. Brilliant pair of scissors. Look at this. Sturdy, strong, it locks into place pretty well. And what I love about the scissors is there are various tools on it that I'll go through. But what I really love about the scissors is when I get reptiles and wildlife stuck in nets, it's always very difficult to get them out without hurting the animal. Using a normal pair of scissors, you can hurt the animal, but here this has a rounded nose. You can just slide it under the net, cut it off, and it's sturdy. Unlike the other pocket knives or pocket scissors, they kind of fold in your hand, but this locks in place. Beautiful locking system. Just two press locks. It's closed, goes into its cover, and you can hook it on your belt.